Bueno, vamos a continuar aquí con el lobo entre nosotros. The Wolf Among Us. Dado que solamente tengo 3 episodios y no quiero acabarlos tan rápidamente, voy a continuar o voy a comenzar desde el final del episodio anterior. Sí, yo quiero cambiar algunas elecciones que tuve y eso es a donde vamos. Vamos a comenzar desde el final. Aquí. Y bueno, para no perder también el otro, vamos a hacerlo en este save.
What do you want, Sheriff?
I'm looking for the woodsman.
Well, he's not here. So I guess you can go now.
Look, I'm not even gonna ask where he is now, okay? I just want to know the last time he was here. That's all.
Who?
I'm being nice, so try again.
He hasn't been here for a few weeks. No, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while, if he's been here at all, which... I don't know.
Does he tell you when to close, too?
Nope. And he doesn't tell me when to tell you to fuck off.
A lot of these walk out the door?
Yeah, it's called advertising.
You get a refund?
Fuck you. The word's getting out.
Whose is that?
Someone who left.
Why didn't you dump it?
If you want a cleaner place, feel free to get the fuck out of here.
Los diálogos son demasiado fuertes.
From you. Don't deny it. I'm good at picking up on this stuff. He a regular?
I don't know who you're talking about.
The one with the bald head and the beard.
Never seen him. Let me solve the mystery for you. They're pickled eggs.
Oh, I know what they are. I'm just trying to figure out why anyone would eat this. Damn. You guys playing right now?
Nah.
of stools in this place.
But there's only one right next to you.
You gonna order something? Or you just here to bother my customers? You know what I mean.
Give me a Midas Gold.
You want a lime?
No.
Well, I don't got any anyway.
Think that's funny?
Yep. Think it's fucking hilarious.
It was all right. This is serious, Holly. Harboring a fugitive is gonna get you in as much trouble as he's in. You could lose everything.
Ok. Otra vez. Sí, se dice. El baños son para clientes regulares y empleados. O sea,
Ollie, you're out of
sí,
paper
ok.
towels and,
Saved your beer for you. Holly wanted to clear it, but I said no. He'll be back. Now here you are.
You and me been going at it for hundreds of years. I'm through fighting.
Well, Woody, that makes two of us. You're in luck. I decided to switch seats. I just want to talk. This doesn't have to go like this.
Maybe he don't want to talk to you.
Why don't we let him tell me that?
Okay, Greg.
It's funny. Just a minute ago, no one seemed to know who you were.
Yeah, well, everyone knows you. Big bad wolf. Now I'm the bad guy and you're a sheriff. What kind of fucking world is that, huh?
Come on, Woody. You know why I'm here.
You want to know what happened?
Amongst other things, sure.
It's funny. The shit you're willing to do for money. I'd walked past her place for weeks. She didn't look like it. She had money. I was sure of it. She wouldn't put up any kind of fight. I was gonna rob her. And the night I finally get up the nerve to do it, there you are, fucking things up for me. You were just in the wrong place at the wrong time. I wasn't there to save her.
What are you talking about exactly?
Red Riding Hood, her grandmother. I was there to rob him. But when I showed up, you were already there, lying in the bed. I only saved her because I thought she might give me a reward. But she didn't give me shit. Except a bunch of people thinking I'm something I ain't. I played along as I could. Only thing I managed to get from it was a free drink every now and again. Not a good that did.
I already know this story, Woody.
You should. You were there.
I'm not talking about Red Riding Hood. I'm here about Faith. She was murdered.
What? Faith? Who's
The
that?
girl you were beaten on this morning.
No. I was here. I swear.
It doesn't look good when a girl you were just smacking around shows up dead hours later.
She's dead? Biggie, listen, I'm a piece of shit, okay? I know that. I hit that girl, I did. I shouldn't have, but I didn't kill her. You believe me, right? They're gonna string me up, Bigby. Like you said, it looks fucking bad. It looks really bad, but I didn't do it.
He was here. That's the fucking truth, Sheriff.
You see? Bigby, please. You can't. They'll throw me down the witching well. That's what they'll do. And I didn't do it. You know that. Hey, stop! This isn't what I want.
Oh, shut the fuck up, Woody! Shit ain't just about you. It's about this fucking lapdog. Only comes sniffing around this part of town when the rich fucks in the woodlands need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
It's not like that. There are problems with the way things go, I get it. But that's got nothing to do with what's happening right now.
Holly's sister goes missing. No one gives two shits about her. Paperwork, waiting rooms, and that bitch Snow White looking right past me, then ushering me out the fucking door.
I wouldn't call her that. It's happened before, and it doesn't end well.
I didn't realize you were the bitch of the bitch. That all you got?
Seemed to be enough.
Don't be so sure.
Ok,
Ah.
breve.
Should have walked out of here when you had the chance.
Come on, you're scaring the lady.
Don't worry about me.
He's had enough.
Seguro que esto no lo hice la vez pasada. Ok, yes. Yes. Ok.
I'm the lapdog, huh? Here. Fetch.
You fucking monster!
Ok.
Whiskey. double. Shit.
It's not like you were gonna pay for it anyway.
Don't even think about it.
Is this the type of treatment I can expect if I let you take me in?
No. If you come quietly, you'll be treated with respect. But if it turns out that you killed that girl, well, you know what that means.
Sí.
Alright, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named... Fuck.
Aunque sea un monstruo, no soporto escucharlo llorar. Me duele muchísimo. Bueno, como dije, vamos a cambiar. Vamos a elegir entonces agarrar a el leñador ahorita. No, por eso fue que
You
vine.
said you wouldn't hurt me.
You said you wouldn't run. Shit.
Guy's covered in blood and you let him go?
No one asked you. Come on. You're under arrest.
I didn't do it.
And you got nothing to worry.
A ver.
Do anything stupid, and I'll throw you down the witching well myself.
All right.
Sí, esto fue muy dramático. Yo no me lo esperaba.
We had something very special.
Who else is involved? The girl with the coat.
Serial killer.
Oh my.
A serial killer? Oh God, and it's one of us?
Wait, the big fat guy still walking the streets?
We've got to put a lid on this. If you can't manage it, I'll find someone who can.
I found out where she's been staying.
I know she's here. You must have seen her. What are the two of you hiding?
Thanks. Not saying anything.
Doesn't matter. Maybe you just want to plunge somewhere. We can arrange that.
What did you do?
Friend on friend. At the end of the end.
Jesus Christ, baby.
Sí, tomé la opción que menos gente tomó. Así habría otra nueva entrada en el Fables. Sí, las tengo todas, ¿no? Vamos a irlas pasando, tomo para que nos haya visto. Quien quiera puede darle pause cuando el menú. Snow White, sin cabeza. Bueno, no era esta también sin cabeza. Fate, la muchacha burro. La bella, esta se te va a perder la cabeza pronto. La bestia, el señor sapo mentiroso, el cochinito de los tres cerditos, el Cabot Crane, el mono de Mago de Oz, estamos, la granja, los mundos que son la gente como tú, como yo, los de amor, la manera de esconderse, ¿no? El príncipe Lawrence murió, sí, lamentablemente no pudo decir mucho. Estos son The Twiddles, D&D de Alicia en el País de las Maravillas. Holly es un... ¿qué? Un troll, ¿no? Y Grendel. Bluebird tampoco lo llegamos a ver. Sospechoso que es un malandro. Big Mercy. Sí, que lo perdonó en mi primera jugada. Y Big venganza. Interesante. Bueno, vamos ahorita a el episodio 2. Sí, pero vamos a cortar por aquí. Sí, como dije, pues vamos a probar distintos escenarios en el siguiente episodio, pues para hacer tiempo. Chao.